Hi guys, this is Russell, the Love Muscle, and today I wanted to share with you guys some things that you'll find valuable. So we all know in life is hard, and don't make it harder. Don't take things seriously. Enjoy sometimes. Take breaks, and be thankful for all the blessings that you have, instead of complaining for the things that you don't have. And I realized na the past few days, there are times when we work so hard, we work, we sometimes forget to take care of ourselves. We sometimes forget to acknowledge or to reward ourselves for all our hard work. Put balance in your life. Pag-rami ni check out sa one of the best hotels here in Zamboanga, Sibugay. It's the Buds Brotel. I recommend that to you guys if you want to relax. Ayun, ganahan mo maligog pool, and then ganahan po mo mag-chill, mag-inom-inom with good music. So, they offer that. And realize na mo ba na if mo spend taog money para sa tuwang self, para sa comfort, or para murabag ka ng reward sa tong self, we shouldn't be guilty about it. Imbes na i-enjoy na to ang moment na naataani na reward, dili na to ikuan, di na to siya i-sabotage o something kanang negativity or kanang guilt. Nagagasto kog ingon na ani nakwan. Okay ra to, ingon na natong nagasto ana. Reward yourself because you've worked hard. And sabi na kong ipangyama-yama, mauro yun ako nga reward yourself. And mauro to siya guys, ako ang ma-share ka kong adlaw. So I'd like to create a segment of this na mga talks na ingon no, na mag-share bitaw alam based ako experience, so that maka-help po sa other person na naglantaw ani, no? So, ay lasig trabaho, guys, remind yourself to take care of yourself, okay? Go out, go on a vacation, treat yourself some good ice cream, or go shopping, I'm not saying to spend all your money, but reward yourself, just reward yourself. Because rewarding yourself, it's like you respect yourself for all the hard work you've put in to provide for you and your family. So it's time to also show some love to yourself, because if you cannot love yourself, then how can you love others? If you cannot provide for yourself, then how can you provide for others? Something like that. So prioritize self-care, reward system. So part yun na siya sa tong life, na atay reward system sa tong life, right? Reward system sa tong kahagoy, and it doesn't have to be grande. It doesn't have to be extravagant or luxurious or premium. Some things na kana bitang mahappy ka, maybe you want to buy yourself a good pair of shoes na dugay na nimong ganahan paliton, and then you have the capacity to buy without burning all your money, then buy for it, no? For example, nipalit ka og shoes na katong dugay na ka nangarap, and then you have the capacity already to buy it without burning all your money. It's some sort of like extra money for yourself. So when you buy that thing already, lantawa and i-feel unsay imong mabati sa imong self, so nindot siya sa feeling, right? It's good for your spiritual, mental, physical, emotional health. It's like a testament of all your hard work. It's like a trophy to the work that you've put in, hours and hours every day without rest, no? Ana ra gina siya guys. So lantawa na guys, buy something na katong ganahan nimo, na dugay na kay nimo ganahan, din na kay capacity na mo buy without feeling the guilt. Dami ka siya sa feeling. It could be a watch, it could be shoes, clothes, it could be a vacation, kana na agto na nimo imong ganahan na lugar. For example, agto na nimo ang Bali, Indonesia, no, naka-surf na ka sa Siargao. So mga inana ba kanang mga imagination nimo ba nakatong while ka work pa ka imagine ka sa imong desk niya one day moagto ko sa Siargao. When I'm in Siargao, wa ko ilain no naunahon kundi mag-party, mag-surf, to meet with connections, to talk with different people, magmotor-motor ko dadto akong i-savor ang Siargao vibes, ang tropical island vibes, magtiniil ko maglakaw-lakaw no mga inana ba. So when you finally get into that point, dami kina siya sa feeling guys na. So more to guys, this is a random video, but I am thinking to do more stuff like this in my channel. No, because sa una man jud ko inani naman gid ako ang ginabuhat, and I need to share the voice that God gave me. We can't just let our talents and gifts go to sleep. You know, we need to share that to the world, to inspire, to influence, to to send a message to everyone that this is life, right? More to guys. Maybe ako mga videos, probably 5 to 7 minutes me talking, but I hope you get something from it. And if you get something from it, make sure to comment down below. You know, I love to hear your thoughts, or message me on Facebook. Nakaganan istorya na ako, right? So I'm just like that person. So see you on my next video, guys. This has been Russell, the Love Muscle, and always remember, God is good, God is generous, and when you ask Him, He will give it to you. Bye bye. Always pray.